This 2019 Winnebago Forza 38W is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, auxiliary battery, slide-out, TV, stovetop burner, external shower, leveling jacks, microwave, air conditioning, skylight, smoke detector, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk beds, front entertainment, front kitchen, full wall slide, mid-bunk, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2019 Winnebago Forza 38W is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.